how to find area of trapezium when its four sides are given. So AB here is parallel to CD and all four sides are given to us. To find the area, there is a usual method and a smart method. So obviously I am going to tell the usual method first so that you value the smart method more. Area of trapezium ABCD is half into sum of parallel sides is 7 plus 22, 29 into distance between them is h. This here is also h. So in short, we have to calculate height here to calculate the area. Now these two sides are parallel and these two heights are also parallel to each other as well as perpendicular to base. That means this ABEF is a rectangle and EF will also be equal to 7 because AB is 7. If DF is x, then EC will be 22 minus 7 minus x because this whole DC is 22. So EC will be 22 minus 7 minus x, or we can write it as 15 minus x. Next we have two right triangles in which we can apply Pythagoras theorem. I can apply Pythagoras theorem and write height square as 9 square minus x square, 9 square minus x square, and this h square will be same as h square that I get from this triangle, that will be 12 square minus 15 minus x whole square. Now solve this quadratic and get the value of x. This will be equal to 144 minus 225 plus 30x minus x square, and solve this and get x as 162 upon 30 or 27 upon 5. Now use this x to get the value of h. Put this value of x here and get the value of h as h will be square root of 9 square is 81 minus x square is 27 upon 5 whole square, and do this calculation and get the value of h as 36 upon 5. Next we will put this value of h here and get area of trapezium. Area of trapezium as half into sum of parallel sides is 29 into height is 36 upon 5, which will come out to be 104.4 square units. This is the final area that we wanted. In second method, which I like more, we have this figure and this whole length from D to C is 22 units and from E to F is 7 units. That means DF plus EC will be 22 minus 7, that is 15 units, right? This whole from D to C is 22 and this part is 7. That means DF plus EC will be 15 units. Now I will remove this middle part, this rectangle ABEF, and I will combine these two right triangles like this. So this base is 15 units as we saw here, and we have to calculate this height. So I can write area of this triangle as half into base into height, and I can write area by Heron's formula as well. That would be square root of semi-perimeter will be 9 plus 15 plus 12, that is 36 upon 2, 18. S is 18 into 18 minus 9 is 9, 18 minus 12 is 6, 18 minus 15 is 3. This will come out to be 54 and h will come out as 54 into 2 upon 15. 54 into 2 upon 15, that is 36 upon 5. This height is same as we got in the first method, and put this in the formula half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them and get the final answer, area of trapezium as 104.4 units. Get the same answer by method 2 as well. This is method 2. So these were the two ways in which we can easily calculate area of trapezium when its four sides are given to us. If you have any doubts, put them in the comments or feel free to mail at anshul@gofodu.com. Thank you.